Hi guys, my name is David Benjamin, and I'm currently a senior at the University of Central Florida, and I'm speaking here today because I wanted to tell you about something that I'm passionate about, and what I'm passionate about is about people coming together and being able to enjoy each other's company and being able to study together and hang out with one another and get to know each other. And one aspect or area I think people could do that at is coffee shops, and I'm actually really passionate about coffee shops. I love them because I think it's the perfect environment for people to come together and enjoy one another's companies. And I'm actually an avid coffee goer myself, coffee shop goer, and I love studying there and hanging out with people. And one thing I noticed was that with coffee shops, there's one problem specifically, and it's that whenever I go, I realize is that like I show up to a coffee shop and it's usually full, or sometimes it might be empty. But the thing that bothers me most is that I'd have to leave and go to like 2 or 3 different coffee shops, and I've honestly done that a lot. I've bounced between coffee shops to find a space where I can actually sit and do my work. And there's more than like 10 to 15 coffee shops in a 3 to 5 mile radius of UCF, and some could be extremely packed, and others could be completely empty. And it's just like a hard thing to keep going from place to place, and you waste so much time and studying time, and your productivity drops, and it's honestly quite frustrating. And basically, I'd come up with this solution, which was to create an app, and my solution to this problem is to make an app that tells you how many seats are available at a coffee shop before you arrive, so that you could know if you should go or not. And basically, my thought process behind this was to kind of create a pressure weight system underneath every seat, and so you could tell if someone's occupying a seat or not, and the app would notify you. And basically, I think the market for this is mainly people who come to coffee shops to study, or they can't do it at other places, or when people need to come together. And I even looked up, and it was kind of interesting. On average, it's estimated that Starbucks sells an average of 10 million cups of coffee a day, and that's just Starbucks alone. Let alone other coffee shops or Dunkin' or other places or local spots where people come together. And I think it could really benefit a lot of people. And even this is a chart of just taken from IBIS of just different statistics on coffee shops and cafes and things. And yeah, currently I could not find any alternatives on the situation for my research. So basically, what people would do is they would just not go to they would just leave the shop, or just go home, or do what I do, is usually jump between places. And yeah, so very excited to present this to you all, and I think a lot of people could really benefit from this, and just for people to have a space to be productive.